Imagine owning a large apartment complex, you and a group of other investors. This is called a real estate club. Each person now owns a piece of this apartment complex. And with concrete build, we now take these pieces or parts of this apartment complex and we convert them into shares, or in crypto jargon, tokens. These tokens can now be sold on the crypto exchange. And for investors who want to be able to access their cash before the apartment complex is sold, this can give them liquidity or cash. Very easy to use. Now, for those that purchase these tokens on the crypto exchange, guess what? Now they own pieces of real estate for just pennies on the dollar. And this is all done transparently on the blockchain, which is a new technology that's open and accessible to all. It's also very simple to use. Investors can gain access to their cash before actually selling the real estate. Other investors with low capital or low amount of cash can now own capital real estate for just pennies on the dollar. Commercial real estate has always been a solid investment, but it comes with one major issue: liquidity. Whether you're a general partner trying to fund your next deal or a limited partner locked into a 5 to 10 year commitment, you know the pain. You have renovated these properties, your money is stuck. You're building equity, but can't touch it. Opportunities pass. Cash flow slows. The system favors the few and locks out the many. At Concrete Build, we change that by helping you tokenize and fractionalize your commercial property. We turn real estate into digital assets. Like shares of stock backed by blockchain technology, now instead of holding a large, illiquid chunk of property, investors around the world can buy fractional ownership in your property securely, transparently, and in real time. That means more capital, faster fundraising, and global access to cash without relying on banks or waiting years for an exit. For GPs, it's a fundraising engine. For LPs, it's liquidity on demand. And for everyone, it's the future of real estate unlocked. And the upside? With secondary token markets and global investor access, you could potentially 10x your exposure and returns. Ready to unlock your property's value and fund your next deal faster? Visit concretebuild.org or follow us on YouTube at Dr. Nelva Lee to book a call. Concrete Build, tokenizing properties, tokenizing wealth. I'm Dr. Nelva Lee with Concrete Build Crypto Financing. Concrete Build, tokenizing real estate for the future. Unlocking liquidity, accessibility, and transparency in real estate investments. Building the future of real estate, one token at a time. Here is the problem. Real estate is one of the largest asset classes globally, but remains highly illiquid because of high barriers to entry for real estate investors, high capital requirements, and lack of fractional ownership. Also, a lack of transparency and inefficiencies in traditional real estate transactions, and limited access to global real estate markets for smaller investors. The global real estate market is valued at over $300 trillion, yet only a fraction of investors can participate due to high entry barriers. Here is the solution: Concrete Build. We first of all tokenize real estate assets, fractional ownership of high value properties through blockchain technology. We offer increased liquidity. Tokenized real estate can be traded 24/7 on secondary markets. Also, accessibility, lower minimum investment thresholds, enabling retail investors to participate. Transparency, Blockchain ensures immutable records of ownership and transactions. And lastly, global reach. Investors can invest in tokenized real estate from anywhere in the world. What is our key differentiator? Concrete Build focuses on commercial and high growth real estate markets, offering unique opportunities for investors. Here is the market opportunity. The global real estate market is valued at over 300 trillion. The tokenized real estate market is projected to grow to 26 billion by 2034. What are the growth drivers? Increasing demand for fractional ownership, rising interest in blockchain-based solutions for traditional assets, and institutional adoption of tokenization. Here is our target audience: retail investors seeking alternative investments, institutional investors looking for diversified portfolios, and real estate developers seeking new funding mechanisms. Here is how it works. Number one, asset selection. Concrete Build identifies high-value real estate properties, such as luxury homes and commercial properties. Step two, tokenization. Properties are tokenized on a blockchain, such as Ethereum, to create digital tokens representing fractional ownership. Step three, investor participation. Investors purchase tokens representing shares in the property and market platforms providing liquidity. What is our competitive advantage? Why Concrete Build? First of all, we focus on commercial real estate, targeting high growth, high value properties. Second, regulatory compliance, adhering to global regulations such as MiCA and SEC to ensure investor protection. Partnerships, collaborating with leading blockchain platforms and real estate developers. And technology, leveraging cutting-edge blockchain technology for secure and transparent transactions. Here are our tokenomics. Our token name is Concrete Build. You can find us under CBL. Here is the distribution: 40% for property acquisition and development, 30% for investor rewards and staking, 20% for team vested over 4 years, and 10% for marketing and partnerships. Use cases: fractional ownership of real estate assets. Number two, staking rewards for long-term holders. And third, governance. Token hold our revenue model. What are our revenue streams? Transaction fees. There's a small fee on each token transaction. Property management fees, percentage of rental income from tokenized properties. Partnerships, revenue from collaborations with real estate developers and blockchain platforms. And token appreciation. The value of CBLD tokens will increase as the platform grows. Projected revenue for year one, 10 million. Year two, 20 million. And year three, 50 million. So here's our roadmap. Phase one, platform development and MVP launch. Token sale to private and investor rounds. Phase market for Europe and Asia, and partner with institutional investors. Phase four, launch governance features for token holders and expand tokenized real estate portfolio to 10 plus properties. Here is the team. Myself, Dr. Nelva Lee, I am the CEO with 10 plus years of business executive experience. Our CTO, Donnie Lee Jr., cryptocurrency expert and blockchain expansion expert. Our CFO, Angel Gonzalez, financial strategist with a background in asset management. And our advisor, Jacob Alfano, real estate industry veteran. Here are our partnerships: blockchain partners, Ethereum, Polygon, and Base, real estate developers, leading commercial real estate firms, regulatory advisors, legal firms specializing in blockchain and real estate compliance, institutional investors to gain interest from BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and other major players. Here are our financial projections. Year 1, revenue of 10 million, token holders, 10,000. Year 2, revenue of 20 million, token holders, 50,000. Year 3, revenue of 50 million, token holders, 100,000. Key metrics, ROI for early investors is projected at 5 to 10. It's projected at 200% for the first 3 years. Again, here is a graph demonstrating our token holders and the revenue goals. So here is your call to action. Join us. Invest in the future of real estate with Concrete Build. Participate in our token sale and become an early adopter. Help us revolutionize the real estate market through blockchain technology. Contact us on the web at concretebuild.org via on social media, on YouTube at Dr. Nelva Lee, or on Twitter at CBLD 2025. Thank you.